Hi guys! I know, I look super ridiculous right now, but I just felt very happy and summery, and I'm like, you know what? We're gonna attempt to make daisies on our eyelids today, so I tried. But also, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I have a PR list that I'm on now, and it's from the amazing Midas Cosmetics. And you guys, if you have not heard of them, well, you will now, but also they are absolutely amazing quality, so affordable, but such high quality shadows, glitters, everything is just beautiful from them. I was sent a little package, and a lot of this stuff I actually bought with my own money, so I'm going to show you what I got sent in PR, but then I'm going to show you guys what I bought for you guys to celebrate for 2 winners to win some goodies from Midas Cosmetics. So if you haven't tried them, this is a great time to try them if you guys win. And I'm just so happy right now. Like, I just feel like my heart is so big. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the company. Her name is xoxo, and we have become really good friends since all of this has happened. She actually reached out to me and asked me to be a part of her team. I didn't apply to any of the PR programs or affiliate programs. I was just being me, doing my own little thing, and she wanted me on her team, and oh my god, you guys, I feel so special. I just feel so loved, and it was the best thing that's ever happened. I'm just so happy. Now, she is the most supportive brand I have ever heard of. She is genuinely so supportive, and she loves each and everything that all of her customers do. I've never even heard of a brand like that. She's very engaging with everyone. She's so incredibly supportive. I couldn't have asked for a better company to believe in me. She actually just posted on Twitter, and I quote, "It's not about the numbers with us, and it will never be about the numbers. Your following doesn't matter. We want genuine individuals whom interact with their following. That's all we care about. We have people on our team that we have been working with since they had 200 to 1,000 followers, who now have 1,000 to 10,000 followers. We are here for the journey. We want to grow with you, not because of you. It's been such a unique experience to watch them grow and continue to do so. We wouldn't trade it for anything. If you want to know how to get our attention, just be yourself. Interact with your following, build relationships within the community, spread positivity, but most importantly, be yourself." And then she said, "With that said, our affiliate program will be reopening soon, so keep an eye out." I'm just really, really grateful that she chose me to be on her team. So a huge thank you to you, xoxo, because I am just so incredibly happy that you believed in me. And you'll always have the most special place in my heart. But without further ado, let's get into what she sent me in PR, and then I'm going to show you guys what I bought with my own money and what's in these fun giveaways for you guys. So she did send me this beautiful lemonade palette, which I am actually wearing right now. And if you guys see any of these things and you do want them, I have a code. It's KEARA. I will link that above, but also in the description. And this is actually available for pre-order, I believe, on July 12th. And it's beautiful. It's blendable. All these colors are completely different tones. As always, I do have a swatch of this palette, and I took a lot of other product shots as well. But here's my Instagram handle if you guys want to go look at those. I'm very proud of this one. I feel like I did a really good job. I love the theme of it. It was a lot of fun to get all the props. The second thing she sent me was actually the Flower Bomb palette. Y'all know. Y'all know I'm doing a look on this. Or 3. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. It's so pretty. These colors are just delicious. She also sent me a beauty sponge. Now you guys, this beauty sponge is firm, but it doesn't soak up your foundation, so I actually used a lot less foundation than I normally do. So I really enjoyed this. It wasn't too hard where it felt like it was punching you in the face, but it wasn't too soft to where it just soaked up all your foundation. I think it was the perfect density. So I was actually really happy I got this because I was needing one anyways. And she did send me these amazing lashes, which are in the style Get Wild. So thank you so much for those. And I'm going to show you guys what I bought for you guys and also for me. Because, I mean, glitter, because, you know, glitter. So, I don't know if you guys can see all these glitters. I bought me about 20 glitters, but I also bought you guys some glitters. So for my giveaway, which all the information will be later on in the video, so make sure to watch the whole thing so you don't miss it, I am giving away 2 Love is Love palettes. Now I don't have these to swatch. I went ahead and just bought 2 for you guys. I didn't buy one for me, but let me show you the inside of this because it is beautiful. So it is really bright and rainbowy and gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch them just because I don't want to ruin the product. And I got you guys some lovely glitters. Now this one has 5 because this one has the gold flakes. And I am wearing the gold flakes on my eye. And please do not use glitter in your immediate eye area. I kind of stuck it a little bit farther away from the eye area so it wouldn't get in my eye. And then this one actually has Pot of Gold. This one has 6 tiny glitters, and the Pot of Gold is this green gold glitter here. So I will let you guys know everything about these glitters in the giveaway information. And that is that. So you guys, I mean, expect to see all of these glitters from now on because these are all so incredibly beautiful. I think I will do like a full-blown glitter collection video so you guys can see all the glitter that I have. But until then, you guys could win a little pack of some gorgeous glitters yourself. So if you guys are interested in the giveaway and also seeing this really fun tutorial, then just keep watching. So I'm actually going to be doing a swoopy doopy. There's probably an actual name for that, but I don't know what it is. So I'm doing a swoopy doopy, which is where you cut your crease out and you swoop it out. I just wanted to try something new. So let's see how this works. I'm going in with this beautiful color here. It's like an olive. Yes, that's what it looks like. It looks like an olive. Alright, so I have the shape and now I'm going to start adding in the gradient colors to go upwards. Now don't worry about this, we are going to carve out a cut crease and make that look a lot better. So don't worry about it being unblended looking on the bottom, we're just focusing on the top gradient right now. When I am doing tiny little blending in small areas, I like to lift my eyebrow and give myself as much space as possible, but also when I lift my eyebrow it smooths out any wrinkles that may skip across and create patchiness if I don't do it, because my eyes are extremely hooded, if you guys can't tell. Look, yeah, I envy all of you guys with eyelid space. So I do this and it just helps me with blending with my tiny eyes. Alright, so I'm going to create another wing right along the bottom with P. Louise, and then I'm going to add in some colors on top of that. Alright, you guys, I am actually going to be creating some daisies right over here. Just a couple little daisy, maybe one daisy, maybe two. But I am using the Suva Beauty Hydra liner, and this is white for the daisy. And for the center, I'm just going to use this mustard color right here. So, pray for me. Never done this before. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, you guys, because this was a little bit of a longer video, I went ahead and did everything off camera. I did use MIlani Blossom Time Rose for my blush. It is a really beautiful, kind of very soft peach. I thought it was perfect for this look. And then for highlighter, I did a first layer with Amrezy, and then I added a little bit more sparkle just to my cheekbones with the new Diamond Wet Supreme Frost from the Jawbreaker collection. This is now my new favorite highlighter in my collection. It's delicious. I did use the Midas Cosmetics lashes she sent me in the style Get Wild. They are 18 feet long. They are ridiculous, and I love them. And I am wearing a little headband. I don't know if you can see it. I thought it was really cute. I feel like May Day. Is it May? Whatever. Isn't that like a Swedish holiday? Oh, I can't remember. With the cute little like ribbons that they wrap around the pool. I feel like that right now. So I feel adorable. Anyways, so here are the rules for the giveaway. So I will need you to follow me on Instagram. That is how I am going to get a hold of you this time. Just because on YouTube, I've been trying to get a hold of people for several contests and they never see my comments back to them. So Instagram is a surefire way unless you can give me your email. But here is how you can enter to win this and a fun little goodie bag of glitters. So for this one, yellow reminds me of sunshine and summer, lemonade, clearly, just all happy things. So when you think of the color yellow, what does it remind you of? You have to first answer that question. Second, obviously be subscribed to me, but have your subscriptions public so I can check. Third, I need you to be following me on Instagram so I can message you back, and my Instagram handle will be linked above. And that is it for the YouTube entry. For my Instagram entry, you guys obviously need to be following me on Instagram, and all the rules will be over on my Instagram entry. You will see it. It will be the picture of this palette. Love is Love. And this is a beautiful, fun rainbow palette. And you will also get a nice little fun bundle of glitters. Oops. It's super beautiful. So if you guys are interested in this palette, just make sure to head over to my Instagram, and all the rules will be on that post. And whoever responds first, I will choose the winners at the exact same time. You can either choose number 1 glitter bag, which has the gold flakes in it and has 5 total, or you can choose the tiny glitter bundle, which has 6 of the glitters. And they all have absolutely beautiful colors. Either way, you're gonna get a beautiful array of glitters in your collection. And I am going to be ending this giveaway on July 20th. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for staying for this fun summer look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!